What if I told you that in just 30 days, your skin could stop being something you hide and start being something you celebrate every morning? Because right now, maybe you're feeling tired of breakouts, dark spots, or dullness, and you've tried dozens of creams that promise glow but leave you disappointed. But today, something changes. You decide for yourself, enough hiding, enough waiting. It's time to radiate inside and out. Let's be honest. We scroll through Instagram, flawless skin, dewy glow, perfect makeup, while our own skin feels rough, uneven, or lifeless. We compare. We buy every trending serum. We layer on makeup to hide what we don't like. And every time, we wake up hoping only to feel deflated. Maybe you've spent too much on products that didn't work. Maybe your self-esteem dipped because you avoid cameras or because you feel you don't deserve to have radiant skin. But here's the thing, you're not alone. Everyone who has what you want has had that same frustration, that same longing. Change doesn't come from another product. It begins when you decide, this is worth the effort. When you start caring, every little step counts: cleanser, lip balm, sunscreen. Not because you want to impress others, but because you owe it to yourself. Real glow is not cosmetic perfection. It's confidence. It's the way you carry yourself when your skin doesn't look perfect on bad skin days, but you still feel beautiful enough not to hide. Here are simple changes you can make. No big budget required. Consistency over quantity. Choose one skincare routine. Stick with it. Night and morning. Protection is non-negotiable. Use sunscreen, even indoors. SPF shields not just from UV but from aging. Hydration and sleep. Drink enough water. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Skin repairs when you rest. Mind what you feed it. Diet, stress, hormonal cycles. They show up on skin more than expensive creams. One thing I learned the hard way is this: sunscreen isn't optional. It's essential. You can have the best serums and moisturizers in the world, but if you don't protect your skin from the sun, you're basically undoing all that hard work. UV rays don't just cause tanning. They're the #1 reason for premature aging, dark spots, and fine lines. Think of sunscreen like a shield. Without it, you're fighting an invisible enemy every single day. If you want, you can use my link in the description to try Glow Revive. It's not about me making sales. It's about helping you find something that actually works. If it helps you like it helped me, then it was worth sharing. I know sometimes it feels like beauty is for others. Like maybe you're too busy, too tired, or you think it's just vanity. But caring for your skin isn't vanity, it's respect. Self-love in daily rituals. You deserve the glow, the confidence, the peace that comes when you stop fighting with yourself. So here's a challenge. Start today. Just pick one new good habit. Use that product. Use sunscreen. Wash your face properly. Sleep well. See how you feel 7 days from now. If you watched this far, I believe you want change. You can change. And someday, you'll look back and realize this moment, this decision, was the turning point. If you try the sunscreen, send me your thoughts. Tag me, DM me. I want to hear about your glow story. If you liked this video, share it with someone who's struggling with their skin, someone who needs to know their beauty isn't delayed. Subscribe, because I'll be posting more routines, tips, stories, real ones, for real people like you. Remember, beauty isn't perfection. It's confidence, being comfortable in your skin. And that starts with you deciding you're worth it.